everyone and welcome back to Nazira's Lifestyle channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to make spaghetti bolognese alongside a simple and classic salad. Add some olive oil to a large pan and let this warm. Add in your minced meat. Next you want to add in a small amount of salt, followed by some ground ginger. We ground this in a pestle and mortar. And now you want to give your minced meat a really good stir and make sure it separates out like flakes. Next add in your tomatoes, green chilies and onions. Now give this a really good mix. After some time you want to add in your spaghetti bolognese sauce. Here we are, adding in some dolmio sauce. You can purchase this from your local supermarket. You need to continue to stir this and let it cook. Finally, close the lid and let it continue to cook whilst preparing other ingredients. To prepare the salad, begin by slicing some cucumber and adding this to a bowl. Next, you want to add in some salad dressing. And here I've used light French dressing. Again, this can be purchased from any local supermarket. Mix these ingredients together and your salad is complete. Next, to prepare the spaghetti, you need to add this to a large pot of boiling water. And you can also add a pinch of salt to prepare this for a better taste. And give this a good mix and let it cook. Once complete, serve the spaghetti on a clean plate, followed by the bolognese sauce. And I've added cheese to garnish and it tastes amazing with spaghetti bolognese. And then I've added some salad on the side. And that's the spaghetti bolognese complete. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. Until next time, see you then. Bye.